Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And today is our, hey, we need to catch up day. Meaning, there are things that I released when I was with Sizzix, or there are things that I released 100 years ago on HSN, or there are some extra pieces or dies or stamps from when we did an online class a long time ago, or there are some extra blah, blah, blah. You never know, right? So on the 25th of each month, we have what we call catch-up day. Not mustard, not real ketchup, but ketchup. Let's catch everybody up, right? And some of these items you might already have. Some of them you might have missed. And so I'm trying to get you all caught up. Ready? Get set. We did this as a class, but now we're offering it just the dies. And you don't get the class, it's just the dies. So here we go, and this one was an utterly amazing, I'm telling you. So now you can get the Otter Fold-it Dies set. This class had sold out very quickly. So if you missed out on the class, I can't offer you the class, but I can offer you the die fold-it. And it's awesome because you're getting some extra little pieces as well from this one, okay? So there's that. Then that class also offered, ding, 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 stamps. So the stamps and the dies that match the stamps are now available on the website. You don't get the class, but you can get the items. And I know a lot of people have been waiting eagerly for these. Now, some of you might have gotten the kit that we did a long time ago. Better not show that to you because I don't know if it's on the website, so I'm not going to show you that. Sorry. But now you can get these otters, okay? Now, 100 years ago, and I was hoping it said the date on here, but it doesn't. 100 years ago, I took on HSN the cutest little Pudgies you have ever seen. And so now we're re-releasing it on our website. And are you just kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? I'm telling you, I am in love with this. So look at the little kitty cat. Look at the little witch. Boo to you. Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Too cute to spook. Here's another kitty cat with an extra broom. And yes, there are dies that match. The fun thing about the kitty cat is I made it so her little hands will cut out if you stamp it, if you die cut it right there, so she can hold the broom. I know, isn't it cute? But look how fun that is. And I'm just telling you, I'm deeply in love with these guys. Now, we're also releasing a limited edition grab bag. And it's going to be embellishments. It's going to be, I'm not even going to show you what's in this one because they're all going to be a little different. Some might be the same. So if you order two, they could be the same. They could be different. It's a grab bag. We don't know. So you're going to just trust us. It's going to be high quality, fun embellishments that match everything that we have, right? So it's going to be in our color palette. It's going to be from when we don't know, because Kenny just seriously went to the warehouse, found 5 of these, 3 of these, 6 of these, 7 of those, put 5 different, it's going to be 5 different items in each kit, grab bag, 5 different items, but who knows? It's a surprise, which, you know what? I'm telling you, who doesn't want to get a surprise, right? It's extra fun. So if you order more than one, they could be the exact same. They could be different. I don't know. You don't know. It's just all in fun, right? And it's an amazing price. So go check it out. 5 different items in each one. 5 different items. Okay, my friends, go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. We have so much fun there. If you're not on our Facebook fan page, the official Facebook Stamps of Life fan page, go check it out. It's a great, fun, happy, safe place to be. It's all about positivity there. Negativity is not allowed. It's awesome. It's just a safe, happy place to be. So go check it out. The official Facebook Stamps of Life fan page. And you know what? I'll see you on our website, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.